Francisco, California. But we decided to come out for 1 month. And we did that so we could get kind of loosened up and get it all together, so we could go back and record the album. Well, we made that decision a month ago because today's actually the last day of the tour. Tomorrow we go back and record the album. And it really works because I think we all feel really loose and just creamy smooth, every single one of us. This little spring tour we did has been so much fun, and today's the last day, and I just feel crazy. So our point is this: we don't have very much time together.